Nice doors.
These doors are 11 years old. It's a 1-to-1 port.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Wow. Nice doors.
These doors are 11 years old.
And they're still this.
Yeah, they used to be wrapped, but they drew moisture.
Okay.
And so I just put roll-on bed liner on them.
I'm seeing so many people I've never seen before that know me. It's kind of crazy. We've never been to a show this big.
Well, you're getting popular, so I guess.
Yes. I've seen this port before on a few vehicles, but I've never understood how does it tune differently from like a slot port or aero port? Is it the same concept with the aero port? Or?
It's not as efficient as an aero port because it isn't flared as nice.
Okay.
And I've just used a 1/2-inch roundover bit.
Okay.
But I just used a port calculator for a circle.
Yeah, gotcha.
And it's tuned to 44.
Okay.
It's a 1-to-1 port. Those are Sundown's home theater subs. They're made by Stereo.
Really?
They're made by Stereo Integrity, and I've got PSI soft parts on them.
Okay.
Because the mechanical strength of the Stereo Integrity subs weren't as stout as these.
Yes, sir.
So.
Okay. How much electrical? Your alternator and battery?
I've got 4 Syngery Audio 35.1s. Syngery Audio 4150 out of 2. I'll have 2, but I'm just running one right now.
Okay.
I'm running 6 Group 31s and a MechMan 320.
320? Man, cone area. A lot of cone area. Yeah, a lot of them.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, and you said these doors are how old?
11 years old.
Wow. Still working.
They look good to be 11 years old. Making Danny strip. This is DJ Rusticals.
I gotta watch how long I demo where it's so hot.
Oh, yeah.
I used to have the motors exposed when I was running 4, but since I'm running 6, I can't do that now. So.
And they're in the sealed section.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
I appreciate it, man. Heck yeah. Thank you.
Hey, no problem, man.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, sure. Can you go check the amps out in the back? Is your back open?
Yeah.
Sure. You can go check.
Yeah.
Hey, can I see your alternator?
Yeah.
I like to show everything. Watch out.
You're trying to
Sorry,
get
man. I get excited everywhere I go. She keeps me protected.
install myself, man, and I had a steep beat stall box in the back before I decided to wall it off.
Really?
3 years ago, I said, man, you know, nobody ever rides in the back seats, so I decided to just go ahead and wall it off. So I turned the 6-seater into a 2-seater.
Sure.
And never
That's
looked
the only
back.
way to go.
Yeah,
Yep.
man. So
Awesome.
Yeah, I see that. That was one of the first things I seen. Mind if I get a number? Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Perfect.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.